I can like feel it in my bones. It's gonna be a great year, and it's really just about what you make out of it.
Take it away.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. I literally cannot believe it's already 2021. I'm filming this on January 2nd, so it's technically my first video of the year, although I do have a video posted already that was pre-recorded in December. In December. I was gonna say January, but it was pre-recorded in December. So yeah, technically my first video of the year, and I'm really excited to be filming. Also, hi, welcome if you are new here. My name is Juliana and I post videos here once a week on YouTube, mostly curly hair things. I try to incorporate random vlogs or makeup here and there, but if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe before we get started. So I'm gonna be showing you my no makeup routine, which is basically everyday really natural makeup and just a really cute curly hairstyle. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair back so it's out of the way for now, and I'll do my hairstyle later. That kind of hurt. Okay, cute. Now let's get into this makeup. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, and also this is gonna be probably really chatty. I'll try not to talk too much because, you know, I don't want to do all that. But yeah, I just like really cannot believe we're already in 2021. Like crazy. What the heck? Also, I've been letting my eyebrows grow out, and I have been I've got them done one time, and I think I'm gonna stick to this, which is just going to get them tweezed, which is something I can do myself, but it's totally different when you go to the salon and, you know, they take their time and everything. Okay, so for my brows, I'm gonna be using this Revlon Color Stay Brow Shape and Glow, which is like a little, I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, there we go. So it's like a marker. It's not super fine, which I had an Ardell one like this, but I freaking lost it. But I like this one because you can mimic your hair, so it's not like you're filling in with a pencil, because I feel like that makes my brows look really powdery. I don't like the way that looks, especially now that my brows are getting thick. Yeah, I think it looks really funny when it looks like I have a powder brow. You know what I mean? Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is what I'm gonna do to kind of carve out my brows, and also what I'm gonna use all over my face.
You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in.
Okay, so that is how I do my brows, and then I'll go in later with some brow gel. You guys know, maybe not, but I use the Sony a5100, so it just has this really weird blurring effect. Like it has a setting to turn off and it's off, but I guess like internally in the camera it just does that, and it's so annoying, especially when you do like skincare or makeup, because it's like, why do I need this like softening effect on my face? You guys can't really see what I see. So like this is it without the blurring effect. The moment I move back, it's just like it readjusts and it blurs, and I do not like that. So actually one of my goals for this year is to get a new camera. I even ended up getting a new lens for this camera, which is really good. It's the 1.35 millimeter. I don't even know. I'll put it on the screen right here, but it's a really good lens, and I usually use that for my sit-down videos because it's so much more crisp and it blurs out the background like really nicely. So I like that. But that camera, I mean that lens, I don't know if it's the lens or the weight of the lens on my camera, it makes it have this like really fuzzy noise in the back, and sometimes it's not that noticeable. I don't know if any of you guys ever noticed that, but I think it's really annoying. I'm just putting this concealer under my eyes, and I'm trying to cover up some of this redness. I don't like to put too much because if you guys can see or saw earlier, I don't like covering up like my freckles. Like if I cover up my freckles, that's how I know like I have too much makeup on. I just don't like the way that heavy makeup looks on my face. I have yet to find a foundation that I like a liquid foundation that I like and I think looks good on me. I've been a powder foundation girl forever, and that's what I'm going to be using today as well. But I'm just blending out this concealer using the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Okay, my camera already overheated, so if the zoom level looks different, I'm so sorry, but can we just take a second to appreciate the fact that we are still here? Like 2020 was such a crazy year, and I am forever grateful that the whole panoramic, I keep seeing people call the pandemic the panoramic, and it is so funny, but the whole pandemic thing was such a crazy experience. I mean, we're still in it, but like it didn't affect me in a way that it affected so many people, and I am so grateful for that, because Like, I just couldn't even imagine. But I am just so grateful, and I feel like this past year really made me realize like every little thing that I'm grateful for. Like, I always feel so grateful to just be alive, like to just wake up every day, but it's just those little things that you take for granted throughout the day that you just don't even think of. And I feel like this year you really had the time, or I really had the time, to just sit down and like reflect and think about my life, you know? I don't know, but all right. And I'm going in with my Bare Minerals powder foundation. I'm in the color Golden Tan 20. If you've been here since the beginning, like literally 2017, I was using this exact foundation. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face using their Bare Minerals Kabuki brush. 2020 was such a crazy year, and it wasn't even just the pandemic. Like, obviously COVID was the star of the show, but there's so many other things that went on last year that it's just like, I honestly just cannot wait to see what the hell's in these history books 30, 40, 50 years from now, because this was a crazy year.
Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget.
But like I said earlier, I feel like all we can do is just be grateful that we're still alive, we're still here and healthy, and just move forward. 2020 is literally the past. We're in 2021. It's going to be a great year, an amazing year for all of us. I can like feel it in my bones. It's gonna be a great year, and it's really just about what you make out of it, because obviously we're still in a pandemic, and I know some people act like we're not, but we are. Newsflash, we are. I know there's like vaccines and everything, but I don't know. I don't know when our normal will come back, or when what our normal will be, you know, in a few months. So I guess we'll just wait and see. But also I am going in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer. I'm using the color Caramel Cutie, and I just have a fluffy brush from e.l.f. So yeah, for my 2021 YouTube goals, I just want to be able to stay consistently posting at least once a week. I know that I had a posting schedule that was 2 videos a week, and that kind of only lasted a few months because that just doesn't work with my schedule. Like, I work a full-time job and other life responsibilities, like that just didn't work out. And at the time I was doing it, I was able to do it and post 2 videos a week, but I was so stressed out, and it just didn't even make it fun anymore because I was just constantly worried about editing, posting, filming. Like, it's just too much when you have other things going on. I wish I could be a full-time YouTuber. Maybe that can also be a thing that happens in 2021, but we will see about that. I do know that I want to reach 100K here on YouTube. I am so close. I think by the time I post this, I'll be at 96,500, so not that far away. And I really appreciate you guys all so much, because it's like the subscribers and the viewers. Like, obviously the content creators put in the work, but if there's nobody watching it, it just sits there. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos, commenting, engaging on them, and I just forever appreciate that. Honestly, I feel like I put too much bronzer on my nose. I feel like I'm trying to do more so you guys can see it on camera, but really I don't even do this much when it comes to like my no makeup, but otherwise it would look like I literally did nothing. But I definitely feel like in 2021 I really want to just continue to be consistent here on YouTube, to reach 100K, just to continue growing here on YouTube, to earn more income, make this more of a full-time income type of thing. Sometimes I get into these funks where I just don't even know what's wrong, but I just hate everything that I film. I hate all the photos I take. Like, I just hate them all. And you know when you film a video and it's like you're in a bad mood, you just know the video is going to be trash. But it's even worse when like you feel good about it, and then when you go to edit it and you're looking at it, you're just like, what the fuck is this? That's how I felt for like 5 videos. And that's why I actually skipped a week in December, because I don't know, I could not get it together. But I was just like, let me take a break and just start fresh in the new year. But I'm gonna go in with this Control Freak eyebrow gel from NYX and put this on my brows.
Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
And now I'm just gonna go in with my Milk Kush mascara.
Trying to forget.
This one's really thick and it clumps your lashes really well, but I don't know. I don't feel like it was worth $25.
I've been hanging by myself, asking for help.
Okay guys, mascara is on, and now we're gonna get into the lips. I'm gonna be using the Ace Beauty lip liner in the color Just Peachy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm also gonna use the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Madeline. I love this one. This is my favorite one ever.
I just can't stop thinking about you.
This is definitely my favorite lip liner. I feel like it's such a good everyday color. Even if I don't wear makeup, I always put lip liner on, like even if it's just with chapstick, and I love this one. Go ahead and fill that in with the butter gloss. And these two go perfect together. And this is my no makeup look. Very simple and everyday type of look. This is literally all I do when it comes to makeup. Sometimes I'll put bronzer on my eyelids, but that's it. Like, that's all I know how to do. That's all I think I look good in. I feel like I do not look good when I have a full face of foundation on and all that contour and stuff. Like, I don't think that looks good on me at all. So this is really my go-to. And yeah, I think it looks really cute. Here's a kind of a close-up without the little blurred effect. So yeah. And now we're gonna go ahead and move on to this hair. Okay, so I'm actually going to zoom you guys out, not in, just a little bit so you guys can see my head. So I'm gonna be using a claw clip to do this like 90s style kind of twist up hairstyle. You guys probably know what I'm talking about because it's super trendy, but I think it looks so cute on curly hair and I've been loving doing it lately. So I'm just gonna take out these pieces up here in the front. And I also think this is a perfect hairstyle if you have a fresh set of curls. Like, I just washed my hair, but I want to put it up. This is a really good way to just have it up and out of the way, but not have to manipulate your curls too much. So I'm gonna just take some pieces out in the front. All right, and I'm just gonna gather my hair at the back of my head, and I'm going to twist it all together upwards like this. And because my hair is longer, I'm gonna clip it kind of higher so that it's not just like a lot hanging down. I'm gonna use my claw clip and just put it right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. And that's what it looks like right now, but I'm just gonna move it around, play with it a little bit. I'm actually gonna redo this really quick, so in case you didn't get that the first time, here goes take two. Seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going. So this is the final look, a little no makeup moment and a really cute 90s inspired claw clip hairstyle. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you stick around for more content here on my channel in 2021. Thank you so much for even supporting me and watching my videos, and I wish you guys all the best in 2021. I wish you all the happiness, the money, the opportunities, everything. I think this year is going to be amazing for all of us, and I hope you guys stick around, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.